Right, for those of you who've seen my last video, I snapped my prop shaft on Strata Florida bommel. Insert footage here. So today is a new day and I have ordered a parcel from Gwyn Lewis. Let's open it up and have a look. This thing weighs a ton. Copy of the Landy. Air freshener.
Ain't never gonna give it up. Double shot for the gifted. One more for us. There you go. Drink it up. All this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow. We go fast. Yeah, we can't.
That is a monster compared to the original.
Living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice.
I'll grab the other one now and compare it. In the box, you also get new bolts. Nice surprise. Tube of grease to make sure it's lubed up before you run it. Blanket plugs and washers for the UJ cap grease nipples in case you're off-roading and don't want to knock them off. And also some prop shaft fitting advice, which I'll read through now and then I will get the tools out and put this on. Right, I don't know if the camera does this any justice, but I've got the two prop shafts here. And the blue one is the Gwyn Lewis one is so much bigger. I don't know if the camera is doing it justice, but the thickness of that flange is thicker. The UJs are massive in comparison. The weight of it, it's much heavier. You could just tell it's a much stronger unit. But this prop shaft is definitely overkill for what I'm using it for, but change it once. Do it right. Get the best one I can afford. Forget about it. This is the other piece of the prop shaft. Absolutely mangled. Really thin. Let's hope I don't get a repeat of that.
You don't get it twice. The time of your life.
Right, first things first, let's take out these nuts that I've put back on to hold the drum on. Oh, lucky I did, because that screw's come out. That retaining screws come out on my way home. Uh-oh, can I run it without that? Right, let's take these nuts off anyway. Just thought I'd pop this off for a look while I'm here. I think it all looks okay. Don't really know what I'm looking at, but handbrake works, so looks good to me. Change these bolts while I'm here. The Gwyn Lewis shaft came with new ones, so if I can I get them off? Oh, there's a circlip that stops them going back. I'll reuse those. That should be fine. Reuse those. I'll put new nuts on. We're going to clean the mating face of the front of the prop shaft to the back of the drum now and then grease that up. Bit of ceramic grease. Look at the way some animal has cut that cable tie. Oh, it's going to do someone some damage one day. Probably me. Right, this is what I like about the Gwyn Lewis parts. they've got all the information you need to fit it, no second guessing. The prop bolt kit has info on it. 37mm long bolts are for the transfer box flange, 28mm long bolts are for the diff flange. So I need the short ones now to replace the bolts in the diff flange. And let's get this prop on. The slip joint of the prop goes at the front of the box, at the front of the car, at the transfer box. So let's try and lift this up now and see if I can get this on. Right, it's on. Got to put the nuts on there. Got to put the bolts and nuts on there next. Let's do that and see how I go. I thought by the age of 36 I'd be able to afford to pay someone else to fit my parts, but here we are. Right, that's the new prop all bolted up. So all I need to do now is grease the joints and then I think we're away. I've decided I'm going to take the bleed nipple out of the bottom UJ and replace it with a cap, so that when I'm off-roading I don't snap the bleed nipple on any rocks or anything. So I'm going to do that now and then that should be it.
Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. Hey there, what you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it out. I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't come for us. This life that we're living, ain't never gonna give it up. Double shot for the gifted, and one more for us. There you go.
Like I said, it's totally overkill for what I'm going to use it for, but hopefully I'll never have to mess around with it again. I'll keep on top of greasing it after I've been off-road, and it's definitely stronger than the rest of my driveline. I've probably moved the weak link to somewhere else now. I've definitely moved the weak link to somewhere else now. But every time something breaks, I'll upgrade it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.
The time of your life.